Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know this sounds crazy because it's like, who is she? Like, yeah, I've been long gone, like just gone. And I'm actually like really trying to share a lot more and be a lot more on the content side because I had a lot going on. So we are gonna start with a Boxy charm unboxing. So I got the October box. Excuse my voice, I've been like talking all day, but I got the October box and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So the reason why I got Boxy Charm, obviously I do makeup for my clients, but I also want to be able to get makeup for myself and not having to go buy it and just trying new things that I would never try. So that's why I decided to do the subscription. And I also wanted to have like an actual video to have every month, and I know that with getting the boxes I'm gonna review it, so I'm definitely gonna be coming back. And I'll also be doing another video if you guys want to see like a makeup tutorial or a makeup look. Definitely let me know. So I got the box, let me get it. All right, so I got the box and there she is. And let me try to get a thumbnail. Okay, I hope that thumbnail worked out good, but I don't know how it's gonna be. I have my mirror back there, so if I ever like look, it's because I'm trying to make sure that everything is good. That camera. So this is my first time getting a Boxy Charm, and obviously I'm gonna do the next video better. Like, I'm gonna actually look up their prices, but I'm gonna look up their prices while I'm editing the video, so I will be posting the actual prices and we'll see if the $25, because I have the $25 box, but we're gonna get all into that. So if you want to have all the details, stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, and we're about to get started. Also guys, it's like 1 in the morning right now, so I'm really tired, but we're gonna do this because I actually filmed a reel for my Instagram. If you want to check out my Instagram, I'll leave it down below. Okay, so this is the box. I am excited. I actually did a little sneak peek, but I didn't look all into detail, so I'm gonna go ahead and review everything. Some of my makeup right now, I actually did use some of the products, and I'll let you know which ones I used. So opening the box, you get your card, and it says Spellbound, Boxy Charm Spellbound, and it says I don't know, it just has like coupons, I'm guessing. And well, no, it's not. Hold on, this is Boxy breaking news, add-ons and pop-up, get a makeover. Okay, so this is probably like promotional stuff, I'm not sure, but yeah, so they have this promotional stuff. They also packaged it pretty well. They have like bubble wraps everywhere. So the first product we are going to review is, I hope I don't have it upside down, and I do. Good. We're gonna do this. I hope you guys can see it pretty good. So this is called Whipped Greens. Okay, Thanksgiving. Whipped Greens oil-free foaming cleanser. So I will let you guys know how this works, because I am going to wash my face after this because I'm going to sleep. So I'm hoping that it really is good as far as a cleanser. And this is an oil-free cleanser, which is really good because although you're supposed to moisturize, I also don't want to be like too moisturized as well, if that makes sense. I don't know. We'll get into my skincare later. But this is by Pharmacy, and I've heard really good things about Pharmacy. And this is an oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. This soap-free pH balance helps clean pores, surface oil, and residue. The creamy formula is infused with sodium PCA to help replenish skin hydration, ideal for combination in oily skin. Oh my god. I feel like I just did a commercial, bro. I like literally had to take my time and read that because I didn't want to like stutter my words and then like have to edit. So I just wanted to make sure I got it right. So basically how to use, which is really good because you Your girl don't even know how to use this. How to use. It says apply daily, AM and PM, morning and nighttime. To wet skin, massage into face, you know. It says maybe use as a second cleanse. So this is a second cleanse. As you should know, there should be like your first cleanser, which takes off your makeup. So this is actually not really going to be good to take off my makeup because they do have a cleansing balm in the line. So I have to try that. But we're going to see how this one is and how it smells. You know what I hate? Actually, it has the protector, so that's really good. So I was scared that I was going to squirt into my nose. So this is perfect. So the second product, which is the Laura Seller or Geller, please correct me because you know what? I really don't know. But this right here is actually what I use as my primer. So this is a primer. It is a skin perfecting primer. It hydrates, moisturizes, and replenishes. And I'm going to tell you that it does. Because let me tell you, I feel moist. And I love a full coverage like foundation. I love Kat Von D. But this right here like really made my skin feel soft and really good. So it's Spackle. It is called Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer, and it is by Laura Geller. Or please, if anybody knows, just correct me down there. So this one is really good. Like I said, I used it under my makeup today, and I'm gonna keep it. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little mad when I first like did my sneak peek into this because there was a lot more skincare, but now I'm actually thankful for it because I know that my next box I'll probably have a lot of makeup in it, and then we'll see. So we also have some makeup wipes, and that's what I'm saying, like I really don't use makeup wipes, so I'm a little mad that they sent that because I have been sticking to using cleansers. But this is a makeup remover towelette, pore refining with witch hazel. I don't know if my skin likes witch hazel, we'll see, but I don't like the witch hazel toner. But this has glycerin, olive oil, and witch hazel, so we'll see. It says simplify your routine with these 2-in-1 wipes that gently removes your makeup plus impurities while refining pores and toning skin. Now I love a good toning, so if this will still tone my skin, then I'm here for it. Okay, so the next product is this Maline Plus Goettes. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's Maline and Goettes. I hope you can see it. And it is a serum. It's a serum restructurant. What? Okay. So this is a resurfacing face serum. Now don't laugh at me, y'all. Don't laugh at me. I was reading the French one. And mind you, I know how to read French. It's just I thought it was English. So I was reading it and then I saw, wait. Sérum restructurant pour le visage. That's what it was saying. Okay. But English, resurfacing face serum. Don't laugh at me, y'all. Please. Okay, so this is an exfoliating and brightening serum. Yes, synthesizes alpha hydroxy acid and stabilize vitamin C to help improve skin tone and skin texture. I'm here for it. Definitely, because I'm telling you, like, in my skincare products, all I look for is toning, making sure you have an even skin tone. Like, I love toning and making sure that I have an even skin tone and brightening it up. Like, glow, baby, glow. Like, sign me up. So I'm gonna definitely try that. I do recommend that you try you use a sunscreen. I used to be against it. If you're black, yes, you need sunscreen. I'm sorry to say it. So I did get one makeup item, and it is this. I'm so sorry. It is Beauty Bakery. Now I've heard a lot about Beauty Bakery. I have, and I actually use it today. It's my highlighter. I don't know if you guys can see the highlight, but I didn't go full highlight today, but I also used my inner corner shadow is actually from this palette. So this is this is the Haitian side of me coming out. This is the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. And I'm going to tell you guys, very nice. It does have the film, but look at these colors. Like, come on. I'm going to come closer because you deserve all this goodness. You do. Okay, so swatch time. You already know. You already know, baby. So this is Queen Being. This one is Queen Being, which is this one, which is the one I'm also wearing. Queen Being. All right, we're gonna try Oh Honey. Oh Honey. And it's more like a pink undertone, but we're gonna see the one I put in my inner corner is called Spoiler Alert. That's motherfucker. That's right. I almost cursed, guys. So, here we go. This is the one I put in my inner corner, and it is very brightening. I love it, so you should definitely try it, okay? So this is the one I put in my inner corner. And then Milk and Honey itself, which is the theme of this. And I think this is really, really chocolate girl friendly because look at it. And then this is the fourth one. So they're very pigmented. Beauty Bakery, I have not tried you before, but I'm definitely gonna look into some more of your products. And last but not least, it is this lip mask. Now I'm not mad because I did want a lip mask. It is cold where I'm at now. Like I said, I'm gonna update you guys on all of that. If you guys want a story time, I will definitely include that. But this is a lip mask, and it is by Kinder Beauty. I'm not really sure. Kinder, yeah. Kinder Beauty. Excuse my nails. Hold on. Yeah, excuse my nails. But this is Kinder Beauty. And it is a lip mask. And I'm going to go ahead and open it and see how it goes because we don't know yet. Hold on. Man, this sucks. What the heck? You ever try to open a product and it's like, I don't want you to open it? Okay. And I hope it's really like moisturizing because I have like big lips, so I hope it does what it do. So this is it. I can't really see the inside of it. It looks clear, guys. Oh my gosh. We're gonna have to open this together because I think it's clear. No, for real, it's a clear lip mask. Like, for real. Like, this is the look of it. This is the back, but I don't know. It says it's a lip mask. We're gonna do it. So this is it, guys. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna look up the price of everything and I'm gonna post them under each of them and let you guys know, was it worth it? But I'm not gonna lie to you, like at first I was mad that I had more skincare products, but now I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it because I get to take care of my skin and everything said it was toning, good, brightening, everything that I love. But yeah, so here you go. If you guys want to see more videos and next month, the November box, definitely subscribe and keep watching. And also I will be posting more makeup looks and story times. And I'm also gonna try to do hauls, but no more promises. Let's just get to it. Like I said, I really like the I like the highlighter palette. I really do. I love the primer. I think I've expressed myself about everything in this box, so this is my honest earned money. And I don't think I mentioned this, but I have the base, which is a $25. I will say that again. I have the base, which is a $25 one. I would recommend you guys try it because, like I said, I'm excited because I'm trying out new makeup. I'm gonna learn a lot of new stuff, so that's what I really want to do, because there's a lot of products that I don't know about, and I know BoxyCharm do invest and give you some of the top-notch products. So I'll keep you updated. You guys keep me updated. Send me any recommendations if you have as well. I'll try it out. I have sensitive skin, but my skin seems to be a little bit like okay with trying new things, but not too much at once. So just, not too much, but just some stuff. But thank you guys for coming back, and make sure you subscribe and come back for more.